Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing? You got a Supcase, you protected your iPad, but how do you remove it? Well, stay tuned. In this video, I will show you some quick tips on how to easily remove this case from your iPad for whatever reason. Stay tuned. Alright, so here we go. You got the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro, and you're having a tough time removing the case. Well, here's my quick and easy tip. At the bottom, where you see the speaker grills or cutouts, and this button here to cover your lightning port, this is the most flimsy area. Okay, so that's a tip right here. You can take this right here, this area, and you can just pull it. You see that? I'm just using 2 fingers. You pull that, and once you pull that, right, you pinch it, and then you pull it. Easy. Then once you got that grip going, you can keep going around the corner, just like that, and then you come back with your hand, and you start pulling it apart. You slide your hand or your thumb under here, and it'll start giving. Look, you see that? Easy. And just like that, you separated the Beetle Pro. But wait a minute, how do I get it back together? Well, easy. Again, you start from the bottom, because that's the most first hard to put on and the easiest to take off. So you start at the bottom. Again, this is the bottom port. Okay, that's my button. What you do is you slide one corner in. Here's the rubber backing. Put one corner in, and then you put the other corner in. So basically just put both corners, bottom corners, in there. Right? Just like that. Just put the bottom in. The top is not on yet, okay? So we just concentrating on the bottom front. And then what you do, you push it in, right? And then what you do, you roll it. You roll it back in. The corners might be a little rough. There you go. That's the auxiliary port right there. And you keep rolling it around. Power button. And then just roll it in until it falls into the seams where it grabs onto the front. And that's it. Very easy. Want to see it again? Here we go. Speaker grill cutouts. Pull this here. Right? Pinch it. You can start with either corner. You can start on this corner. See? Just keep rolling it back like that. And then you just grab it and go back the other way. As you pull here, you pull back towards you. So you grab the iPad, pull it towards you. That's it. Bam. Now you want to put it back. Make sure I got it the right way. Speaker grill right there. Bottom port right there. Just put that in. That's it. Right? You just this side and this side. Those 2 corners. Just slide it in there. Make sure it looks perfect. And then let it go. Pitch it together and go around. Done. Thank you for watching. If you haven't seen the review, go check out that video. I'll leave a link in the card. And also I have a paper-like film on here for drawing. When you want that paper texture on your art while you're drawing, check that video out also. And I stream Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. You want to check out some great games, I suggest you check out the stream Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. on twitch.tv/Draconis271. I'm out.